a look at the top golf courses that you can play within Cardiff. Yes, the capital of Wales has some great golf, and that's why we're going to be bringing as many courses as we could possibly find. But we needed some help down in the comment section, starting off with Heath Park, pitch, and putt. This 18-hole short course is located just outside the main city. It's perfect for beginners and junior golfers. It's more of a practice short game facility. It's cheap, affordable, and all of the holes are par threes. Quickly moving through this list as we take a look here at Castle Heights Golf Course, a municipal 18-hole course, short, compact parkland style course that serves the east side of Cardiff. It's popular between seniors and beginners, and it's perfect for a quick round of golf within the local area. It's definitely a course I wanted to put down this list because we'll be visiting here in the near future, within just a few months now, almost weeks. So we had to make sure we get some more content and learn a little bit more about this area. If you have any help, let us know down in the comment section. Maybe we'll play around out here. We hope to play some of these courses in the Cardiff area. Let's take a look now as we quickly move through this list and head on over to another facility that is well known. This 18-hole parkland course is a approachable traditional links, or court, not links, but a traditional tree line type course with various gentle elevation changes and strong local membership and welcoming atmosphere. It's often overlooked, but it's definitely a solid golf course and it's very well maintained. Let's bring you through the list here as we quickly bring the next course. A little bit more history. We'll be adding some dates now as we head on over to Dina's House Golf Club, built in 1910. This tight technical classic is built on the hilly side and expected more blind shots here. Its old school feel with tradition, modern day green complexities has made it a very well known destination for golfers that are looking to play a solid round of golf. Let's bring you now as we head on out and over to our next facility. That is I would say, of course, that I'm hoping to visit on my trip in the near future. Let's take a look here. And built in 1910, this mature parkland style course is tight, and it is more of a accuracy matters type facility. Quietly known as a test for golfers, and it's best for mid and low golfers trying to shoot a beautiful score with some elevation changes. This beautiful 18-hole golf course is well known and a little bit more expensive than the other ones listed on this list. Let's head on over to a facility that was even older than the last one. A course that we've been looking to target, built in 1905. This historical Cardiff Golf Club is known for its winds that change through thanks to the elevation. Strong sense of tradition and long-standing membership has made it a very well-known, picturesque historical golf facility. Quickly moving through this list and marking them down as we go. We want to rely on the comments with our last three here. So our top three go to mainly the ones that got back to us. Let's go to Winchurch Golf Club. Built in 1914, this traditional championship course is a tournament test for low handicaps. It's considered a step up from the prestigious other golf courses are in the Cardiff area and has hosted championship and national level competitions. It's definitely more of a senior type feel when you come out to this golf course, and not the senior tees, I mean. Quickly leaving us with only two more courses here. Well, this course didn't get back to me, but it's one that I was hoping that would, because it was built in 1985, has some amazing history, and it's located right next to a castle. This is more of a inland course for the South Cardiff area with significant elevation changes. It's narrow fairways, and it's off of the actual train line. But we want to pause here because if you have any information on this course or any of the courses that you think we should head on over to, let us know down in the comment section. But as we quickly move through this list, be sure to add them. And this is one with the castle, with almost in views, one would say, from most of the golf course, but it's not like it's on the course or anything, so you can make the argument that you won't really see it in certain times of the year. Closing the list down, course that I've marked down and hope to get over to, because it's a Eric Holt design course in 1897, and they're very, very responsive, and look forward to the professor hopefully getting over here and playing and interviewing some of the members. This elite championship golf course is the crown jewel of Cardiff golf. It's Harry Colt design and strategic bunkers with flowing greens. It's regularly ranked the best inland golf course in Wales and has hosted national championship and elite tournaments throughout its opening since it opened. Looks really nice, and maybe I should reconsider trying to play this one. Hopefully we'll get out here and play one of the courses in Cardiff. If not, we can't be in the UK forever. If we are, definitely have to be within 3 months or even shorter based on the new rules and regulations. That's it for this video. Keep a look for more videos.